Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to gain followers on Instagram without posting on iPhone. So let's get into it. Let's navigate to the Instagram app on your iPhone and tap to open it. Once the Instagram app opens up on the mobile screen, scroll down to your timeline and locate the suggested friend list. Here it is. Now if you want to gain more followers, what you have to do is simply start following people one by one that you see in this list. Tap on See All to open hundreds of users' profile to follow. Please note that you should not exceed following 30 to 35 people daily, otherwise Instagram will block your account. The people that you follow will surely follow you back. Once they do, you can unfollow them. Simply go to the profile page and open the following list. You can unfollow anyone with a single tap. You can also share your profile link on other social media platforms to gain more followers. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.